Hello, it's me again, over here. Well, okay, again, I got a couple of email people, couple of guys told me to show you, get some more information about this. Everything's in the book. You just gotta go take your time. Don't rush. Read the book. You read the instruction, and it will tell you everything. And a lot of people are gonna say, "What's the guy talking about? I already know that stuff. I already know that stuff." Well, you probably know, but some people up there, yeah, at the beginning, like me, we just starting, so they're not too, they're not quite familiar. Reason I use this model because it's simple, but I know the guys up there, they got the big one, they got the little one, they got a real more complicated. So we're gonna start with this one, then we want to work our way up, 6,000, 8,000, and but I start with this one because pretty much basic, and it's good for the beginner over here. Okay, remember guys, members, all the way to go to the mode setup mode function. Hold this for a couple of seconds. Okay, you see, that's gonna change, right? Okay, it's set up to cooling right there. This thermostat is set up for cooling only. Okay, let's say you're gonna replace a T87, the round thermostat, the one I'm talking about. You're gonna replace it, but you only need heat only with 2-wire thermostat. Okay, heat only. So you're gonna stay over here in this same function over here. You see, you read the instructions, same function, setup function. You're gonna stay in 1. Okay, now you want heat only, right? Setting, you're gonna go to heat only. So we need a number 2 to replace that T87, heat only. So you come to this thermostat. Remember, we set up for cooling, but now we want one with heat only. So you come over here and press number 2. We'll go for number 2 right there. This thermostat now is set up to run in heat only, and you press done. When you finish, press this button over here, done. Boom, and you're done. Okay, so this thermostat right now is set up in heat only, and it's off. Remember, this 5000 Pro 5000 is already set up from the factory to work with heat and air condition, with heat and AC. You don't have to do nothing. It's already come. If you check, it's already set up to 0 over here. It comes from the factory. It's in function 1. It comes from the factory like that to 0. So it's a heat and cooling. Okay, so if you need it like that, you don't have to do nothing. It's already set everything. Okay. Now, if you got a T87, somebody only got cooling, you goes over here. You put in function 1 and look for the menu on the side. I was telling you over here. This 2 button over here is for this number over here. You could play with this number. Up to 4 and up. This is a little shot over here. You cannot use this function down the bottom. See, it's kind of dark. You will need the different thermostat for that. Okay, for you could play with 4 and up. All this function over here. Okay, the big number. Well, I'm gonna set up. Hold on, let me go back over here. Hold it down for a couple of seconds. Boom. Again, go over here. Big number again. So over here. And the little number. All this over here. Okay. And you got all this menu over here. Stuff you could do with this thermostat. Remember the video before? Fahrenheit, Celsius. You need 14. And you go to the side and you find out if you set in Fahrenheit or Celsius. I went to a house, to a call where somebody was playing with this, and they had it in Celsius. So I fixed that. That was a call. That was an easy one, in and out. Okay. Now, remember the video before? I used the 15, and I set up the compressor delay. Okay, time off. You see it. You can set them up to 4 minutes. Right one. What do you want to do? Okay. Over here. Remember we were playing with this before too. 27. Big number, 27. High temperature. Stop range. Look. Right. You go to that menu. 90. And you set up the temperature. You want nobody play with the thermostat, you set them up, you lock it in. Same thing with the cooling. You go to 50. Means the function 28. 50 is the minimum. The maximum is 90 for 50 is the minimum. Okay, so you set them up. And the heat mode, you could set them up way up to 90. But who's want the temperature in the winter 90 degrees in the house? Nobody. But some people, believe it or not, I've been to some houses, some people use 85, close to 90. It's crazy, but okay, easy. I hope this helped, okay? You have any more questions, send me email and we go through all this again, all right? And I help you, that's why we're here. I have to play with this so you guys get it. Thank you again for watching my video.